It's not even 8 o'clock in the morning yet, and I just got to work, and Jared, our amazing painter, painted the Charger, like the door jambs, the trunk, and the, God, it's freezing. The door jambs, the trunk, and the firewall, the engine bay. Look at, I have to run. This color is amazing. It's the original burnt orange. I'm so freaking excited about this. Look at this. You're not gonna believe this. Oh, look at that. Is that a beautiful thing or what? I cannot believe it. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, hello, Charger. Good morning. It's gonna be a good day. Look it. Look it, look it, look it. Oh, is that not the best Dodge color ever? It's the original, one of the original colors that you could get for this car. It's burnt orange, and it is all kinds gorgeous. Our painter, Jared, he actually texted me last night at 10:30 when he finished. He's like, "You're gonna love this car, Lise, when you see it." And I totally do. Oh my God. I don't think I've been this excited over a customer vehicle for quite some time. But look at that orange. It probably doesn't even do it justice on this camera. But, oh, good grief. It is so pretty. Our body man, Sean, did an amazing job. And Jared did an amazing job on the paint. Rick did an amazing job on all the welding. I didn't do anything except for helping with some masking and putting these trunk rods in. Holy Dinah, that's a deadly thing. But anyways, there she is. I'll show you the Swiss cheese cab as well, actually, because that got some turquoise on it last night. So I'll show you that as well. That's our newest thing that just got dropped off this morning. Yes, another truck. Okay, so the turquoise is, look at, oh, can you turn the radio down so we don't get hit for copyright? I forgot. Wow, that looks awesome. Nice masking job.
Yeah, I was doing the masking.
Yeah, Rick did everything.
I did everything.
You're such a glory hound. Good grief.
Jared, thank you for loaning me your guns last night.
Look at that. See how much work it is? People don't realize why paint costs so much. Look at how much masking is involved just to do the edges and the firewall. Like, come on, people. That's where the money goes. Right there.
If you want it to look nice anyway, right?
Yeah. And even this.
Mask it. They just, don't care about the overspray, but that just makes life so tough.
Yeah.
It takes you more time just to mess with the overspray than it does to mask it.
And then I masked these yesterday because this little tiny lip right here has to be body color.
A lot of work for a little lip, eh?
Yeah. So that's the masking job on the doors, just to get that color on the back side of the lip, because it's that fawn color on the other side. So there you go. That's why it costs, right? That's why builds cost.
Builds cost.
Builds cost money, people.
Better save up, people.
Get your heads out of your asses and stop watching that reality TV crap, because it's not real.
No, they're not built in an hour.
No, for sure not.
No, God, no.
So that's it. So we got 2 vehicles done last night with all the jams. So that's it. We're signing off. You want to say anything?
Ciao.
Ciao?
Ciao.
Ciao, Bella.
Chinese food for lunch.
Chow mein. Okay, so t-shirts are still available.
Yes, go show them the t-shirts.
Okay.
Buy a t-shirt.
Buy a t-shirt. Go show them the t-shirts.
Go.
Aye, aye, Captain. Okay, so t-shirts. Here they are. The top of this cabinet is scratched to shit, sorry. So, there is the long sleeve with the pinup logo on the back and the pinstriping down the left sleeve. There is Black Betty. There is the white t-shirt with the pinup girl on the back. There is Rick's 52, Bittersweet. And there is Carried Away. The proceeds are all going to Terry's rebuild of the car. We also have some decals. Window clings. So yeah, if you want anything for Christmas, better order soon because I'm shipping out the last of this stuff today. And I think they gave me till the 11th if you want it by Christmas, if you're in the United States or Canada. So order your shirts. Thank you for the orders that we already have. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching the videos. And I'm going to go drool on that charger some more. Bye.